Hello guys, welcome to my channel. To my subscribers, I love you so much. And to my intended subscribers, you're welcome. Feel relaxed. This is a fun place to be. Feel free to share. I want to learn from you even while you are learning from me. So in today's videos, I will be making carrot beetroot juice. This juice is very good for detox, and this juice is very good if you want to lose weight. So I'll first of all peel off the back, and while peeling off the back, I will talk you through the health benefits of each of the fruits. Is beetroot a fruit or a vegetable? Whichever one. Okay, so I will go on to peel off the back of my beetroot. The health benefit of beetroot. Beetroot help lower blood pressure. It boosts energy, it encourages weight loss, it boosts immune system, it contains vitamin C, B complex, and loads of antioxidants that helps to fight free radicals that are harmful to our body and our system. It promotes digestion, it prevents anemia, it's good for brain health, and it helps with anti-aging. Wash this, then I'm going to scrape off the back of my carrots. Carrot is rich in beta-carotene that is good for the eyes and the skin. It contains vitamin C, which helps to boost immune system. It is filled with antioxidants that helps to fight free radicals in our body. It helps to avoid sunburn. It's good for the heart. It hydrates, keeping our skin moisturized for a long time. It's rich in vitamin A and good source of folate. I will wash the beetroot and the carrot before the next step, so I'll be using my blender to blend this and not my juicer. And because I'm using my blender, I will slice this into small pieces. I will start with my carrot first. If you have watched till this point, kindly like and share this video. Share to your family, share to your friends, share it on your WhatsApp status so that it can reach to more people. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell button so I can always see my notification when I drop a new video. I always drop new videos every week. I am using 5 pieces of carrots and 3 pieces of beetroot. In 2 cups of water to enable it to blend well. Cover it up and transfer to my motor blaze. I will be using the mass blend button to blend this juice. So guys, subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell button to get my notification whenever I drop a new video. Share this video to reach to more people. This is a healthy juice. So I'll be using my strainer to strain the water, the juice out. I will use my spatula to press it down. So I'm going to strain it the second time to get a smoother juice. You can strain it the third time, so look at what came out of it. You can transfer in a container and put in your fridge to chill. Finish up that same day or the next day. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.